What's up guys, Shamil here, new water glass. So here's a 2022 Nissan Maxima, only got 1500 miles on it. And I'm at the dealer and they said it was leaking. Now it's not the windshield that's leaking. It's leaking from the bolt. Where's that bolt? Right there. It's leaking from there. Now if you check the windshield and it's not the windshield, it's the screw right here. To get to that screw you gotta take this piece, the glass piece off, and the only way to take it out is from outside because it's just glued to the roof. Look at the glue. There's a glue right here. On the other side same thing, there's a patch of glue on the other side, patch of glue over there. So if it's not the windshield, it's this screw right here. To take this off, only from outside, can't do it from inside, and you won't be able to save the gasket, the rubber around it. Believe me, if you're gonna do this, you're gonna have to order a new piece. But since this is a warranty for the Nissan, they're providing the piece. I saved it, but I couldn't save any. Right there, I couldn't save any moldings on it because this piece sits right next to the windshield. It sits right here, right next to this windshield, so you gotta be careful. So you're gonna have to cut it from outside. All right guys, I hope this helps. If it's leaking, 2022 Nissan Maxima, it's the screw. If it's not the windshield, and you gotta take this piece off because the water somewhere getting under that piece and going in there.